Hello, good morning, student. Today we are going to start chapter 4, The Treasure Seeker. The Treasure Seekers, part 1. Children, this story is written by Edith Nesbit, right? So, before starting the story, first of all, I will tell you about the author and about the story in short. The author is Edith Nesbit. She was an English author, the poet. She was born on 15th August 1858 and died on 4th May 1924. She published the books for children under the name of E. Nesbit. Means she gave her name for her writing. She wrote more than 60 books of children's literature. She was also a political activist and co-founded the Fabian Society, a socialist organization later affiliated to the Labour Party. Children, this is an excerpt from Edith Nesbit's book, The Story of the Treasure Seeker. In this novel, the 6 children of the Bastable family try out ridiculous ideas to get rich quickly, often with hilarious result. Means they were not getting any result, right? That they want. The result they were not getting as per their wishes. So here we will read this story taken from the novel, right? As you can see here, it is written the 6 children of the Bastable family. Means here there were 6 children, right? And a father. Actually, the story begins with sadness. Why? Because they have lost their mother, and after that their condition becomes so bad economically their conditions became so bad. Even their father was not able to afford the school fees of them. So throughout the year, throughout the session, they were having holidays, right? Because they were not going to school, father was not affording the school fees, so they were living at home. Now we'll read the story and try to understand this. Here you can see there are something I must tell before I begin to tell about the treasure seeking, because I have read books myself and I know how beastly it is when a story begins with alas. Means the story begins with sadness, said Hildegard with a deep sigh. We must look our last in this ancestral home. Actually, here they were living in the ancestral home. Ancestral home means the home given by our forefather. That is called ancestral home. And then someone else say something, and you don't know for pages and pages where the home is or who Hildegard is or anything about it. Here just it was about the story. Now actually the story starts from here, our ancestral home, right? Our ancestral home is in the Lewisham Road. We are the Bastable. Who are the Bastable? The six children. They are the Bastable. They are six. There are six of us beside father. Means one is father and six children. Dora is the eldest one. Then Oswald, and then Dicky, then Alice and Noel are twins. They are 10. And Horace Octavius is my youngest brother. It is one of us who tells this story. Here, Horace Octavius is the youngest brother, right? And one of them only is telling this story. But here it is said that, but I shall not tell you who, only at the very end perhaps I will. Means who is telling the story will not be told now. It will be told at the end, most probably, right? So it was Oswald who first thought of looking for treasure. Oswald was the first who thought of looking for treasure. Oswald often thinks of very interesting things, and he didn't know it to himself, as some boys would have done, but told the others and said, I'll tell you what, we must go and seek for treasure. Means he is saying that he will tell what should we do for getting the treasure to be rich. It is always what you do to restore the fallen fortune of your house. Dora said it was all very well. She often says that she was trying to mend a large hole in one of Noel's stocking. Here Dora said that she is trying to mend a large hole in one of Noel's stocking. Means Noel's whatever she has stored in those things, she want to make a hole. Dora is the only one among us who ever tries to mend anything. Here Dora is very important girl in the story, who tries to mend anything. Alice tries to make things sometimes. Father does not like us to ask for new things. Here father, he doesn't like them to ask for new things. That was one way he had of knowing that the fortune of the house of Bastable were really fallen. This is only that it shows that they have lost their fortune and not getting again. Another way was that there was no more pocket money except a penny. Means their money was also finished. Only they have a penny now and then to little ones. And the carpets had holes in them, and we gave up having the gardener, except for the front door and all the silver in the big oak chest went away to shop to have the dents and scratches taken out of them, but never came back. Then we stopped going to school, and father said we should go to a good school as soon as he could manage it, and a holiday would do us all good. Here, uh, the condition of their home is too bad. Carpets had been hole in them, and uh, they gave up having the gardener except for the front garden. Means there was garden who is now working only in the front garden, and all the silvers in the big oak chest went away to the shop to have dents and scratches taken out of them. Means the silvers whatever they were having, that also went to shop. Here they stopped going to school because father was not having money to afford for the school. So they all just thought that they will have holidays at home only. So you see it was time we looked for treasure. Here they are saying that these holidays we will spend for looking for the treasure. We must do something, said Alice. Alice said that we should do something because the square is empty. The rattled money box as she spoke, and it really did rattle because we also keep the bad sixpence in it for luck. Here they have lost all their money, can say. The money they have kept for future, that was also finished, and their bad luck was started. They were not having money at all. Then what they are going to do, I'll tell you in the next class of this chapter, right? For today this much only. uh, just you understand that all the six children here you can see the picture, they are just making plan how to overcome from this economic problem, right? And one by one they think for the plan, and they share with each other and try to overcome with the problems, right? First they decide that uh, they will think for each, they will take 10 minutes to think for what we should do in these days. Then someone says no, we'll take at least half an hour to think about, because it takes time for me to think. Then like this they think, one by one they share their thoughts to overcome the problem with the problem, and one by one they tries all the views given by six of them, means each other, you can say. First they start with digging for the fortune to get the treasure, right? And then Noel she shares, but I will tell you this tomorrow. For today this much. Read the PDF file where I have given summary, not full. It is one page only, you can say, and next day we'll go for further pages. Read the PDF file and note it down in your copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.